Today, a big day for the families of 92 victims, patients who were choked to death at the Amri Hospital back in 2011, 9th December. Today, finally, 4.5 years later, after the incident, the courts have framed charges against 16 accused, and the trial has been slated. A date has been slated 5th of September. Many of the family members had gathered at court to hear the charges being framed. They are happy that finally justice, the wheels of justice, seem to be rolling. I met up with Paromita, whose mother died in the fire. Families of the victims of the AMRI hospital fire back on 9th December 2011 have had to wait for almost 5 years to get the judicial process going. Today, finally, charges were framed against 16 accused persons. With me, Paromita, who lost her mother in the fire. Paromita, finally a movement forward?
Yes, definitely we have moved, at least we can say that one step forward, but it is very sad to say that we have got this, this charges has been framed after nearly 4.5 years.
You are prepared for a long battle.
Yes, definitely I am prepared for the long battle because Monideepa, this is not my only battle. The incidents which had happened at AMRI, it could have happened with anyone else. I am fighting because as a citizen of India, I feel that we should fight this case so that no other incidents like AMRI can happen any part of our country, because I'll feel bad that I do not want the pain and the sufferings which I had gone through it, that no Indians should suffer through it. They had went for the treatment, and in the treatment, because of the safety negligence, they had to die it. No one like this incident had never happened any parts of the world. So this has been a black spot to Kolkata's face. I cannot want it, and I want a stringent punishment so that every industrialist, every person, every institution take precautionary measure to the safety standards. It cannot be neglected.
Still, you see that the time the case has come up for hearing and a charge has been framed, it is quite a speedy one, I should say. There has been no delay on the part of the prosecution. There has been a regarding charge. And charge was also in the hearing process. After all, you see, there are 18 advocates, 16 or 17 advocates standing for the accused person. Everything has to be submitted by them, and the court has to hear them.